Hello. In this video, I will be examining the dollar index indicator DXY on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays the dollar index or DXY on the chart for us, which is represented by the blue line, and it also plots two moving averages with different periods on it. To use this indicator, we need to be aware that it utilizes 6 currency pairs where one side is the dollar.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
And it calculates the dollar index according to a formula. These main currency pairs must be activated in the symbols section of MetaTrader. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. In the settings, there are two moving average periods displayed here in orange and green, which we can adjust. The last option is the number of candles from the past chart that it uses for calculations. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. This indicator is available for use on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is popular among traders. It provides essential tools for market analysis. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them through the comments section to help improve the indicators.